September 30th, 2020, let's practice. So number 1, what is the least common multiple, or the LCM, of 3 and 7? So least common multiple, first we're going to do our step 1. What are the first 10 multiples of 3? Easy peasy. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 26, 27, sorry, and 30, and they go on and on and on. There we go. Also, what are the first 10 multiples of 7? All right, so we're going to go 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, and then we have 70. And it goes on and on and on, because remember, our least common multiples go on and on and on. Now, what is the first or the smallest number that they share? Do they share 3? No. How about a 6? No. 9, 12, 15, 18, 20, 21, there it is, woohoo, we found it. So 21 is the first number that they both share, the first and the smallest number that they both share. So 21, so our least common multiple, or the LCM, of 3 and 7 is 21. You can move this if you want, you can circle it if you want, and that's our least common multiple of 3 and 7.